role of three.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we can understand more about this.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
I will be
Okay.
doing this now.
Record this one, okay? From there, so you can capture all of this. Okay, take this one. So, good afternoon.
Nice to meet you. I am Dr. Yu. And wow, what can I help you?
The truth, I have a problem. You know, I got a daughter who's 7 years old, and she doesn't love to eat meat, and she loves eating a lot of rice and eating a lot of vegetables and soy sauce, and so my wife is very worried about her right now. So that's why she really was. I'm really busy with my works, but however, she tells me about every day, so I decided to finally come and meet you and get a good advice, so I can come back and we can solve this issue.
So, your daughter, 7 years old, and she doesn't like to eat meat.
Yes,
Can eat rice,
a lot of
a
rice.
lot of rice, so and veggie, and,
Yes.
and what?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yes.
So what's the problem? Why your wife worried about her?
We just worried that maybe she is not growing the right nutrition. Maybe she's not going to be a smart one because she is taking a lot of meat. So no meat. So we worried that maybe her brain will not develop well and she will not be a smart person. And we also want her to grow because we know that meat is needed for having good health and good height. So right now we are concerned that if she is not growing right height, maybe it will not be a right shape for her, and we want our children to be having a good health and good shape.
Okay, so your wife worried that your daughter will not have a good health and good nutrition status.
And not smart as well.
Not
We
smart,
also,
yes.
because you know the world become very challenging right now,
Okay.
and only care about very smart people. Yeah.
Yes. So I will evaluate your daughter's nutrition status first.
Thank you.
So how about your daughter weight?
She is 18 kg,
8
Yeah.
in height,
110 centimeters.
110 centimeters. So in the growth chart of this the status, your daughter weight is not, but the height is really not good. Okay.
All right.
So your wife worried, right?
Oh, all right. Okay.
So this is a big problem.
Big problem. Okay.
Yeah.
How much height she should have right
So
now?
that I will talk about it later. So now, at first, your wife don't worry that your daughter doesn't like to eat meat. So how about another kind of protein? Can she eat another?
Well, I have a farm where we grow duck. And I bring the eggs at home. But the problem is my daughter can't eat it because every time she eat it, she got some rashes in her body. So we don't really feed her egg.
So meat cannot eat, doesn't like to eat meat, for example, or fish.
Fish can eat actually sometimes. Yeah.
Fish.
Actually, my wife doesn't really like fish, so she doesn't really eat.
Your wife.
So she doesn't really cook fish much.
Okay.
So our home is very much about meat oriented. So let's say in 7 days, it's like 5 days we have meats, chicken, beef, other kind of meat. So and maybe 1 or 2 days we only eat fish.
So, I will have a simple explanation for you to understand. If your wife hears it, will be better. So in the diet for kids, we will divide it in 4 main groups. Okay, see, 4 main groups. So now it's really about the glucose. It's not only glucose stock. So your kids can eat rice.
Yes.
Okay, and another kind of this.
Come closer. Come closer. Take this one.
So this is the first group, and the next is about the protein. And this is animal and plant protein. So this is your daughter's problem. And how about another kind of food? Veggies, she can eat a lot. So don't worry about this, about the fat. And I noticed that we have another problem that she just eats rice and soya sauce.
Yes.
Okay. So this group is okay. This group okay. Fat. How about fat?
I think she's not fat right now. I think she's.
No, the fat in food, not the fat outside.
Actually, well, I have no idea about this one.
Okay. So
she just eats a lot of rice. That's all I know.
So maybe the fat is not included in her diet too. So this is important for her brain, not only this.
All right.
So your problem is big. So at first, when the kid doesn't like to eat meat or fish or something from the protein from animals, maybe she will have problem like anemia.
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 What is this anemia? Can you explain to me?
Okay, anemia is that's the hemoglobin in the blood is lower than normal.
What is the problem for that?
And if she has an anemia, she cannot grow.
Oh, that's a problem.
Yes, and the brain will cannot smart.
Oh, that's a problem. Big problem. Then how can you solve it?
So,
Yeah.
we need to take this.
Okay.
We can test the blood test for her to determine this.
So are you telling me to bring her here and
Yes,
give her
of course,
this?
yes, of course. If she has anemia, I will give you another diet menu, yes.
And a
That's
food menu,
menu, the
okay.
food menu
Okay.
for your daughter to replace the iron, the protein, to replace the animal protein for her to give her the good nutrition about the anemia. That's in iron. Okay, iron food rich for her, and give her the medication to treat it. So your problem, your big problem here now is the anemia or not. Because I think this problem involves concern to high development of your daughter and the anemia and maybe anything else.
So do you want to give me some medicine right now so I can bring it to her
I need
again?
to have the blood test.
So you recommend me right now to bring her here?
Yeah. So
Is it very urgent or should we wait?
okay, so now I give you some advices first,
Okay.
and I will see you and your daughter in the next time.
Okay.
I talk about the iron-rich food. So we will have the animal food and plant food to give protein with iron. And now I will search and give you the prints of the list of food can give the iron for your daughter.
All right.
To change this, I will give some example. This is about protein, and you will see not only meat, fish. We will have another shrimp, crab, and another kind of meat, nuts. A lot of things to give the protein and the iron for your daughter. So you can give your wife this list of food, and maybe you will let your daughter to choose and give her maybe bring her to the supermarket to make her choose which food this group to eat. Okay. And about this, the fact in this group, this and this is important for growth. So this I can give you the list food, but the fact your wife should notice about this. Maybe when you use some oil from veggie to cook the meal.
So
And another thing, the soy sauce. It's very salty.
Yeah.
And if your daughter eats too much salt in diet, can make your daughter height reduce.
Oh, really? That's a
Yeah.
problem.
Yes.
She's short. Oh.
Yes, the salt will make the kids the urine of the kidneys try to excrete the salt, and the calcium will be go out.
All right.
So maybe we should have to use this.
I haven't. One of my friends say that salt has iodine, and iodine can make my daughter more smarter. How do you think about it?
The iodine exists in another kind of food, not only in soya sauce. So we have to choose which sauce have a gram of the amount of salt less as much as we can.
Okay.
So you can dilute the sauce by some water to put in to give your daughter to use when she eats. That will reduce the salt intake. Okay. About the height. So we have the height that anemia may be affected. The fat not enough. The salt and the last is the calcium. How much milk your daughter drink a day?
I think half glass a day.
Half glass?
Yeah.
Just once a day?
Once a day.
Oh, that's nothing. A lot of problems with your daughter. Not only
yeah,
just
I'm very worried right now. I'm just really worried. Advise me, doctor.
So you can see here, this is milk. Milk and the okay. Milk and products from milk.
Okay.
We should list 4 to 6 serving. 4 to 6 serving. This one serving is about 100 milliliters, and it will equal to 1 cup of yogurt or a piece of cheese. So if your daughter cannot drink a lot of milk, we can replace another kind by the milk product to give her about 500 milligram calcium.
All right. So milk is very important for her.
Yes. So your daughter.
How much milk did she take? Should she take now?
Okay. 100 milligram will be about 1 minute of milk. So if 500 milligram a day, will about 500 milk a day.
So she needs to take 500. So it's half liter milk.
Half a liter? Yes.
Half a liter milk. Wow. I think now she's not taking 100 milligrams.
Okay. So 500 milligram calcium is about 500 milliliters milk.
Right.
But if your daughter cannot drink this, you can replace maybe for about 300 milliliters milk plus 1 cup of yogurt.
Butter? How about butter? Is it butter good for her?
Butter? The butter is not good. That's not good. You can replace by cheese.
Cheese, okay.
Yes. The butter maybe have calcium and vitamin E, but they have the not bad fats in the butter.
So you suggest to go for cheese?
Cheese. 1 yogurt and 1 cheese. This will be enough for this. Equal for this.
So I'm very worried right now. I think I need to bring her in. I think this amount of drinking of milk, she was never doing it so far. Now I'm very concerned right now. Thank you, doctor, very much for giving me advice.
So now will be the food pyramid for the balanced diet for your daughter between amongst many kinds of group, and the list food of iron rich food for your wife to cook, and and see you next time to bring your daughter here on the blood test. Maybe we will need more on the supplements.
Thank you very much, Dr.